In the pursuit of overall wellness, our feet often get overlooked. Here's how to care for them naturally. Maintain cleanliness by washing your feet daily with mild soap and warm water. Dry them thoroughly, especially between the toes, to avoid fungal infections. Keep your skin hydrated using natural moisturizers like coconut oil or shea butter. Pay special attention to dry and cracked areas. Give your feet a soothing soak in warm water with Epsom salt for about a quarter of an hour. Trim your toenails straight across and file the edges to prevent ingrown toenails. Perform simple foot exercises like toe stretches and ankle circles to improve flexibility and strength. Choose comfortable shoes for proper support and let your feet breathe. Rotate your shoes to prevent excessive wear on one pair. Give your feet a relaxing massage using your hands or a massage ball. Use natural foot powders like cornstarch or baking soda to absorb moisture and control odors. Maintain a diet rich in vitamins and minerals and stay hydrated for overall foot health. Soak your feet in a mixture of apple cider vinegar and water to combat foot odor. Regularly inspect your feet for any issues and address them promptly. Maintaining a healthy weight and staying active can contribute to foot health. If you face persistent foot problems, consult a podiatrist for professional advice. Always remember, everyone's feet are unique, so pay attention to your specific needs. For specific concerns or medical conditions, always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice.